Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to adjust volume. Apple App Store and Google Play logos. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. The app image shows a white globe with two blue arrows around it. A phone screen appears. Text, the volume of your hearing aids can be adjusted using the slider. A finger presses a slider bar below the screen. Text, to instantly mute the sound coming from your hearing aids, tap the mute icon. Taps the button on the left side of the slider bar. Text, when your hearing aids are muted, the blue program card will turn gray. You can unmute them by tapping the mute icon or tapping the program card. The finger taps the icon on the left end of the slider bar. Text, to adjust volume for right and left hearing aids independently, tap the split icon. Taps on the right end of the slider bar. Text, sliders for each hearing aid will appear and you will be able to adjust volume and mute each hearing aid independently. Two slider bars appear below the blue screen. Logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com.